Hi everyone, so this is the video that is going to help you complete lesson 3, more specifically task 15 and task 16. So this is a vehicle online descriptive search, and what it is a Microsoft Access database with some form design thrown in so it looks like a usable program. Okay, now I couldn't give you this on Satchel 1, so that's why I'm going to do a quick demonstration, and then all you're going to have to do is maybe watch the video a couple of times when you're completing task 15 and task 16. So behind this nice user interface is a Microsoft Access database that stores 200 records of cars and their details. And what I can do is click search for cars, okay, and in here I can enter the details that I know about the cars. Now if I don't know any piece of information like the make, the model, the colour or the registration, I can just put an asterisk in that instead. So for example, for task 15 you're going to have to try and do simple searches, okay? So a simple search, if you remember earlier in the lesson, is where I just utilize one of the fields to complete my search. So I just have to add in information to one of these fields. So remember there's 200 records in this database, and what I'm going to do is search for all purple cars, for example, okay? So I'll search for purple, just type that in and click OK. And what this is doing now is going through all 200 records, okay? And as you can see on this pop-up, there's 19 vehicles found. So out of those 200 records, 19 matched my search of having the colour purple, okay? I can complete another simple search by maybe looking for all cars that are the make Ford, for example. Again, just type in the name, click OK, and here we've got 35 vehicles that have the make Ford. What I can also do now is a complex search, and again what that is where I look for something using multiple fields. Okay, so not just the make and not just the model, but I could maybe look for more than one field. So if we have a look, I'll go for Ford again, and let's go for all Fords that are black. Click OK, and as you can see there are 2 black Fords in this database. Okay, so the complex search narrowed all of my records down even further, giving me only 2 searches here. I could then search again. Let's do another complex search, and if I knew the make as an Audi, and let's see if there's any Audi A8 in the database. So there's no vehicles that match that description. So I can clear that. I can search for another one. Let's go for an Audi, but without the model, colour or registration number. So there's 4 Audis, okay? Now, out of these 4 Audis, the first one here that you can see, this first record has the colour green. So what I'm going to do is do a complex search for that specific green Audi and see if we can minimise from the 4 records down to that specific one. So the make is Audi, the colour is green, click OK, and as you can see that is the only green Audi in Strathearn here. Okay, so that's just a quick example of simple and complex searches using Microsoft Access databases. Thanks.